Hi guys, it's Archie Luxury, and today guys I want to show you a wonderful Instagram channel. That's right, an Instagram channel who's also a great fan of Archie Luxury. Father.time.luxury.watches. Father.time.luxury.watches. This guy here combines photography with beautiful watches. Have a look here. Look at this. Very, very nice display of watches, and just in a great look at this. His food with watches, his coffee with watches, just great photos, great watches, and a great lifestyle. Look at this beautiful cigar, and you can click on any of these pictures here inside Instagram and see the lifestyle. Look at this. What a wonderful way to enjoy a cigar. So there you go, guys. Check out father.time.luxury.watches. Father Time Luxury Watches. Check it out, guys. You will love it. Hi, guys. Archie Luxury on the Paul Pluta channel. Today, guys, I want to talk about Swedish death cleaning. I made a video the other day and talked about, Swedish death cleaning and wristwatch collecting. Basically, Swedish death cleaning is the Swedes, very thoughtful Europeans that they are, they decide to get rid of shit so their kids don't need to deal with it when they die. Very thoughtful, very thoughtful. Well, guys, you know what? I'm an angry 49-year-old man. Angry, fucking angry. And you know what? I got my own twist on Swedish revenge cleaning. Let me fucking tell you. Okay, let me fucking tell you this. I've got, instead of Swedish death cleaning, I got Swedish revenge death cleaning. That's correct, guys. So what I'm gonna fucking do, on my passing, I'm gonna hide valuable stuff with my shit. Okay? Now, what I'm gonna do is, kooky middle-aged man, I'm gonna get, when I get a bit older, of course, and obviously get a bit more financial settled, I'm gonna bury in the backyard $1,000 worth of coins all around the place, and I'm gonna get 4 or 5 metal detectors, and I'm also gonna leave them with a big note with a map, where coins are. We'll try and lure these fuckers to dig up the yard and get it looking beautiful. So I'll probably spread out $1,000 to $2,000 in dollar coins in the backyard, buried of course, and I'll also be placing some metal bits there too to confuse these little fuckers. So yeah, that's what I want to do. The next thing I want to do is, I got massive book and magazine collection. Let me just show you this. This is you can't see it here. The books. This is about a third of my collection. In the other side of the house there, I got thousands of books. You know what? 1 in 20 books, I'm gonna put $5 or $10 or $20 notes in the books. Yes. Yes, I am. Because if they just huddle the books together and give them away, guess what? You might miss out on the money. Hey, how's that? How's that, fuckers? And the other thing I'm going to do is, some of my books are very valuable. For example, my Royal Oak coffee table book, that's worth about $1,000. My Mondani Paddock collection books. Those are worth €1,000. I paid €1,000 for them. I'm going to advise them certain books are valuable, certain ones are garbage. You know what? As I'm nearing my death, I'm going to go I'm going to go to garage sales and book fests, buy a whole lot of useless books to plant with the good books. How's that, fuckers? And you know what? They want the money. They can fucking well work for it. They can work for it. The papers to my watches, I'm going to shove them in the catalogues for that series of watch. They got to find it, do the research, and find the papers. How's that, bikers? Do the research and find the papers. Forget this Swedish death cleaning. Fuck you! I want to make your life hard. You get my money? You fucking work for it, fuckers! I had to work for it. Nobody gave me nothing for free. I had to work really hard. Really hard. And you know what? The Swedes are so polite and nice. Well, I'm not fucking nice at all. Swedish revenge death cleaning. That's right. Fuck you guys. You guys are getting shit for free. Well, I'll make you buggers work for it. Work for it, fatso. Get off your fucking ass and work for it. That's right, guys. I'm not fucking... I don't owe these fuckers nothing. I don't owe these fuckers nothing. You know that? I owe you nothing, fuckers. They're going to inherit my collection. Well, you know what? You know what? I want you to love and care for my horses. That's right, guys. That is right. That's what I want you guys to do, guys. So, I gotta tell you guys, it's a very interesting thing. Swedish death revenge cleaning. That's right. Fuck you. You're gonna inherit my estate. I want you to work for the money. I'm not gonna give you an easy rider style. Fuck no. You gotta go and work your ass, do the research, work out what's garbage and what's valuable. And, yeah, you might get some education out of it. And I tell you what, if there is a fucking afterlife, it's gonna be fun to look down on you fuckers, tear up the backyard. That's exactly right. That's gonna be the funnest moment, I think, when these fuckers have got these metal detectors. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fucking tamper with them so they give incorrect readings. Fuck you! Fuck you! That's right. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, 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 yeah. And I got to tell you, man, I'm going to put money in the shoes, the expensive shoes. Oh, going to be very, very difficult. Very, very difficult for these fighters. Because, you know what? Just because... you know, I'm died, doesn't mean I don't have fucking feelings. I have feelings. I have feelings, definitely. And you fuckers, all you want to do is get the cash. All you want to do is fight over the cash so you can buy things that you want. Well, it was never your money. It was my money. I fucking want my money. I want my money. I want to take it with me. I love the fucking hoarding. I'm not going to listen to some, you know, you listen to these Swedes. They're the fuckers who had open marriages. Look how fucking great that worked out for you. Hey, you let your wife explore lesbianism and fucking comes and bites ya. Fuck me, Dad. You know what? I'm not fucking, you know, I don't need to be fucking nice. I don't need to be nice. I don't need to be cool. I can do whatever the fuck I want. That's the beautiful thing about money. It democratizes whatever you fucking feel like. You know what? I don't need to be cool about it. I don't need to help anyone. They're not my buddies. They ain't my fucking buddies. They ain't my buddies, fuckers. And, I honestly don't give a shit. They don't like it. Don't take the money. Don't take the money. So, guys, that's my take on the Swedish death cleaning, Swedish revenge death cleaning. Tell me what you think, guys. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, put some comments below, guys, and I will catch you in the next one. If you got any more nasty ideas, put them below. I'd like to make this real fucking painful. Hi, guys. It's Archie Luxury. Guys, I want to talk to you about David SW. David SW, David SW. Guys, if you are in America, if you are looking for a Rolex watch of your dreams, in fact, if you're looking for a contemporary modern wristwatch, I strongly advise you to look at David SW. Guys, don't play the dealer games. Don't bring in chocolates or Krispy Kremes for your dealer hoping to get a Rolex at retail. It's futile. Please, guys, save your dignity. Keep some pride. Go to David SW. I would highly recommend David SW, David SW. If you're in America and you're looking for a watch, go to David SW, David SW, David SW. Hi guys, Archie Luxury, and today guys, I'm very proud to introduce a new sponsor of the Archie Luxury and the Paul Pluta channels. Who am I talking about? WatchShopping.com, WatchShopping.com, WatchShopping.com. Check them out, guys. Jump online, check out WatchShopping.com. These guys here have been in business since 2017. Worldwide shipping and distribution. Over 10,000 wristwatches in inventory. Stock in hand, and 90 plus different brands, new and pre-owned. Now, the good thing about WatchShopping.com, trusted by over 4,000 reviews on Chrono24 and Trustpilot. Your one-stop shop to buy any watch your heart desires. Please, guys, check out WatchShopping.com, WatchShopping.com, WatchShopping.com. I'm Archie Luxury, and check out WatchShopping.com. Hey guys, Archie Luxury on the YouTube sensation, the Paul Pluta channel. Guys, I need you to help me out, guys. I can't survive on Google Ads alone. I need you to request a paid review. $50 US, look down in the description. $50 US, I will review your collection. I'll tell you what I think of it, and I'll give you some pointers. The other thing is, guys, you can sponsor me on Patreon. Patreon allows you to pay a couple bucks a month, $1, $2, $5, whatever you want, and it keeps me going on YouTube because, guys, I'm in a niche. Nobody can make money out of the views I get. The views are crap because it's a small, specialized area, and I don't talk about garbage for the sake of views. Guys, sponsor me on Patreon. Look down below, and I will see you in the next one.